The Renovations and Alterations Ultra programme has many modules dedicated to providing pricing solutions for the different types of plastering jobs that can be done. In this movie, I'm going to show you our plasterboard and plaster walls, double tack and one-side modules. I'll begin with the plasterboard and plaster walls double tack module. It's important to note that this module works on the basis that the studwork walls are already in place. If this isn't the case, then you'll need to use one of our studwork modules to price for this. To start, I need to enter the area here in the red cell. This is 12 square metres. By entering this one number, everything has been calculated. If I click on the plasterboard question mark, the picture shows me the double tack process. On the pricing sheet, I can see I'll need 9 sheets of plasterboard, and that'll take just over 5.5 hours to fit. My joint tape has also been worked out. The corner beads will need my judgment, as it's impossible for the programme to know if I'll need any for around the windows, doors and so on, so I'll enter these here. I'll need 3 lengths, so I put 3 here in the blue cell and all the costs are calculated. If you did not need any corner beads, you could just leave this cell empty. I can see my plastering will take 6 hours and I'm going to need 2 bags of plaster. My plasterboard fixings have also been worked out. The totals for my materials, hours, labour and total cost is shown here along the bottom. I've now brought in the plasterboard and plaster walls one-side module. Like the double tack module, I just need to enter the area of wall I am doing. This will be 12 square metres. Instantly the pricing sheet is filled with the details. Let's take a look. As it's a single layer, I will only need 5 sheets of plasterboard, and this will take just under 2.5 hours to fit. I'll also need 1 roll of joint tape. I will need to enter how many corner beads I'll need. Again, this will be 3 lengths. 6 hours have been allowed to carry out my plastering, and my plaster and fixings have all been calculated. Like the double tack module, you can click on any of the question marks to view the helpful diagrams. All of the totals for my materials, hours, labour and the overall total are shown here along the bottom. The pricing of my one-side and double tack plasterboard and plastering on walls really has been easy. By simply entering one number and letting the programme know if I need any corner beads, all of my costs are worked out.